So we're at the Mirage. We've redeemed a 3 comp night stay with the MyVegas points. This is the room we got. This is a King Mirage room, base room. This is room 14092. Let's shut this. There's a bunch of loud people in the hallway. So, closet, nothing crazy. Luggage holder, safe. A reasonably decent amount of hangers, maybe not for 2 people. Single vanity, very well lit mirror, that's nice. The bathroom's a little small. I like to know what the shower situation is. So it's just a basic tub and shower head. Pretty clean. Nothing too fancy. Magnified mirror, that's super helpful. Loud fan. Full-size mirror by the door. Super helpful. A dresser. A piece of art. An ironing board. If you're like me and you don't like wrinkles. Boom. So this is the king bed. There's Jessie. She's very thrilled about it. What do you have? A chair. A few assortments of chairs here. That chair. You got this chair. You know, office chair. For business. For your guest. Nothing crazy. And then I don't know. And when you're on break while you're not doing your work. The fridge is just for stuff they want to charge you for. So, don't touch it. Oh, there is a bottle missing, but that's what we meant to tell them about. Oops, we didn't do that. Snacks for purchase. Don't touch them. The TV, yeah, the TV reception's not amazing. It kind of cuts in and out. It's not really that big.
Also,
this room is a little worn too. There's a huge scratch in the headrest thing, whatever that's called. Someone was getting crazy. It wasn't me. And here's our view. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, jeez, I should get shot. Maybe if I make it straight. Trump Tower, if that's something you care to look at. Or Treasure Island. So this is a view of the north. So it's basically the interstate. Or, again, Treasure Island. Not a volcano view. I did ask for an upgrade. They said there weren't any available.
Here's what I appreciate.
I did not check back on that. What do you appreciate?
Drawers.
There are drawers up here too.
Those drawers, then there's these drawers.
So you got 1, 2, 3. You got 4, 5, 6, and then you got the 2 on each side of the bed. That's like 10 drawers.
Bathroom drawers. So all my stuff I usually have all over the place, but now I have it in there.
Yep.
I like that.
So we just, yeah, and then we had the room service today. We had been here for 3 days, 3 nights already.
I don't know anymore.
I don't know either. We're checking out tomorrow though, so.
Yeah. Guess that connects to someone.
That's a connecting door. We haven't heard any neighbors though, so that's kind of nice.
Haven't heard anyone above or below.
Yeah, pretty quiet.
We're right next to the elevator.
We are. It's very close to the elevator.
I've not heard through traffic or anything.
Not really. No.
I would give this room good for free.
Yeah. So
Water pressure good.
We stayed 4 nights, but we got 3 for free with the comp reward. We did have to pay resort fee though.
Yeah.
So it's not completely free. I don't know what the resort fee was.
$34 a night?
37?
36? Or is that
I think it's 37 a night. Which is still, you know, pretty good.
Yeah, but if you want something real fancy, that's not fancy.
Yeah, I didn't even notice that.
That's not fancy at all.
There's a little wear and tear. It's not like
but
the most upscale, but it's clean.
Yeah.
It was mostly free.
It's very functional.
Yep, so that's it.
Yeah. Boop.